the reasons for remand provided in the remand report were not sufficient enough to keep somebody in custody. Those altogether 18 remands have been rejected by the Honorable Court and said there is no ground provided by the police that police custody or further investigation requires police custody of Arnab Goswami. Therefore, police custody has been rejected. If a man moves to MCR, a bail application can be moved before the court. We moved for a bail application. The bail application is already filed and pending. It will be heard very soon once the reply of the investigating officer comes.
जनता जीतेगी, जनता जीतेगी, एक जनता जीतेगी। हम लड़ेंगे। मुझे उद्धव ठाकरे कुछ नहीं कर सकते, उद्धव ठाकरे और परमवीर कुछ नहीं कर सकते। जनता जीतेगी, मुझे जितना मारे।
This is the injury on my arm. You can clearly see it. I've thrown it to the doctor.
Who injured you, Arnab?
It was Pradeep Patil and Sachin Vaze and 7 other policemen. They surrounded me. They held me by the scruff of my neck. They pushed me. I have come here, as you can see, without shoes here today.
Yes, you are without shoes.
I'm without shoes because
It's against a Supreme Court order.
they did not let me take off my shoes. I've been assaulted. I want the people of the country to know. Don't push me. Don't push me. I want the people of the country to know. I cannot be assaulted in a courtroom. This is a free country. I cannot be assaulted outside a courtroom. I protest.
मैं पहले महाराष्ट्र पुलिस से कि रियली उनको थैंक्स बोलना चाहती हूँ कि आज ये दिन मैंने बहुत पेशेंस रखा है, श्रद्धा और सबूरी। आज इतने दिन के बाद ये दिन मेरे जीवन में आया, मैं उनकी रियली आभारी हूँ। ये करने से मेरे पति और मेरे सास वापस नहीं आएंगे, फिर भी वो मेरे लिए अभी भी जीवित है।
क्या कुछ मामला था, किस तरीके से आपके पति ने सुसाइड नोट में क्या क्या लिखा था और क्या कुछ बता पाएंगे?
एक्चुअली ये रिपब्लिक स्टूडियो ARG आउटलेयर का जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो मेरे हस्बैंड का लास्ट प्रोजेक्ट है। ये प्रोजेक्ट दूसरा कोई आर्किटेक्ट 10 करोड़ में भी लेने को तैयार नहीं था। मेरे हस्बैंड ने 6.4 मीन्स 6 CR 40 lakhs में उठाया था। इमीडिएट 6 महीने में ये प्रोजेक्ट अगर वो कंप्लीट करते हैं, मेरे 500 वर्कर डे एंड नाइट 3 शिफ्ट में उधर काम करते थे, तो ये कंप्लीट होने के बाद कोई सोना भी खरीदते वक्त बिना पैसे के, कुछ भी चीज़ बिना पैसे के नहीं करता है। तो हमने कंप्लीट किया है प्रोजेक्ट। कल भी उन्होंने उनके इसमें दिखाया है कि हम पहले वीक में ही ये लेवल में थे मीडिया के इसमें, तो ये किस बलबूते पे? अगर ये रिपब्लिक स्टूडियो चालू ही नहीं तो होता तो वो कैसे ये इतनी पत्रकारिता वहाँ से कर रहे हैं? उन्हें खुद ने सोचना चाहिए।
Arnab Goswami was physically assaulted in his house by 2 police officers, Praveen Patil and Sachin Vaze. Family members were pushed and his house was cordoned off for 3 hours. There are abrasions on his hand here, on his left hand. He has an already existing injury on his hand where that was also tried to be torn apart by the police. His arrest was not informed to his wife, but his arrest Panchanama says that he was informed to his wife. He was pulled by his belt and also there is an injury on the back of his spine. He was beaten on the back of his spine and thereby he was injured. His hand bandage was ripped off, I already said that. So he appeals to the citizens of India to support in this case, especially when the FIR has been closed by a closure report in form of Form A. So there was no FIR and after the closure of the FIR, there is a re-investigation done by this police station where in that re-investigation he has been arrested. It appears to be so. We still do not have any police papers in our hand.